Hey everyone, welcome back. We're just kind of showing you what we're bringing to the camp today. So today we are cleaning. My wife and I we're gonna clean up and check up on Camp Desert Dawgs, and we're bringing you logs for people to sit on. As you can see, we already have a decent amount, but I'm gonna try to complete the circle. And then also some of them are better than others, so I did find two better kind of logs to sit on. I did bring some firewood, stuff for people to burn. So I'm just gonna bring you along for the trip. And here's our main tool. It's a Pulaski. This is a really great tool for campsites. We use it at home in our garden, but it's a really good tool. So we use it. Sometimes we chop up some of the wood. Sometimes we have to fill in some of the holes. Dig up for the waste, kind of throw that away. But great tool, $20, $30, $40 tool, definitely worth its weight in gold. So again, just checking about the property, keep you guys updated. So one thing we normally do is we walk the perimeter of the property. We put this simple 3-wire fence through here, and a lot of times it gets windy out here and trash will pass through the property and kind of hit the wire and then snap it. So what we do is just make sure, we bring extra wire, and then we just gotta mend the fence. So right now this one snapped, and go ahead and just mend it. Like that we can kind of keep the perimeter of the fencing going. Make sure people know the boundaries are, and also for the Hipcampers. That's one thing we do. So again, we'll be walking the perimeter of the property, making sure there's no trash, that's flowing into the property, making sure that the fence isn't messed up. So we'll keep doing that. So we've been here about 20 minutes, just finished everything. Again, we brought some firewood, brought some logs to kind of complete the circle, just for Hipcampers to kind of use as they see fit. Put their cooking supplies, put their camping supplies. We walked the perimeter and made sure no breakage in the wire and our small little wire fence. We did see some, when it gets windy, trash will kind of snap that wire, so we did mend some of it. We looked for trash. This is the only trash we found, some cardboard. If anything, it's just cardboard, so we'll leave it here with the firewood just so it helps people get their fire going. We brought firewood, and even though we've had a couple Hipcampers out here in the last month, or a couple since we've been out here, it's not messy. So I don't think they've been using the firewood. Either they've been bringing their own, or their own gas grill or propane camp stove. There's no charcoal or residue trash in the fire pits. So super easy day to clean, and this is, I would say, about average. Like I've said before, the Hipcampers we've had out here, they don't really trash it. If anything, this is most of the trash we see. So it's just bottle caps, and that's it. So we're gonna call it a day. Head home. We've had our breakfast, we had our brunch. Go enjoy the rest of the weekend. It's a beautiful day out. And then again, if you're in LA County, look us up, Camp Desert Dawgs on Hipcamp. Stay safe, everyone.